go, just a little update here. I know we've already covered it, but now we're getting some practice with it, right? So the petition to determine succession to primary residence. This was a carve-out that kind of went into effect in April of 2025 for people that died after April 1st, 2025. And it was supposed to help families where the decedent died with their primary residence in his or her name, but didn't have really any other estate, so to speak of, to probate. And so this came with the legislature amending 13150 through 13152 of the California Probate Code to make it easier, quicker, and more friendly for people that died with an estate in that situation to transfer the estate to the heirs, namely the primary residence. Here's your update. We've been at it now over a year and seeing how certain courts are dealing with it. And here's the quagmire. Primary residence, right? Seemed to us pretty clear. The primary residence is the home in which the decedent lived in at the time of death. Different courts in different counties have started to look at this a little differently. We had initially thought, hey, an affidavit from the heirs saying, look, this is where they died, or perhaps the death certificate would be sufficient. Victorville specifically, they're requiring to get a copy of the decedent's utility bill showing that residence to prove that it was their primary residence. Not every court's going to do that, but hey, since we've seen one judge do it, let's make it a best practice. So that's something to consider if you're doing it on your own, or if you're considering having us do a succession to a primary residence. Let's make sure that we have or collect at least one utility bill showing that the decedent lived in that home that we're going to be transferring through the procedure. Just something that popped up, thought I would bring it up, and that's where we're at now.